Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press on that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. And that's what that pillow is there to remind me, to remind you guys that on the YouTube platform, that thumbs up is important. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. The number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, today is a nice day because I received a package from a brand called LookFantastic. This is a box that is gifted to the channel, and I am very, very appreciative of it because this has really been an absolute treat to be able to get on the channel. And I learned a lot about this box that I'm going to share with you as well. It's also a very affordable box, and the boxes that it comes in change every month, and they're really good keepsake boxes. But let me tell you a little bit about the brand and the company, and then we're going to go through what is in December's box. So starting with this box, you can also get this through Rakuten. So if you are not part of Rakuten, I will leave my link for that down below, because if you sign up using my link, you will get $30 and I will get $30 as long as you spend $30 within 90 days of pressing the link. There are no fees, there is nothing. Rakuten is absolutely the best app that I ever got involved in way before I had a channel. It is truly a cash back. So there's so many brands that are on Rakuten's site, and now I found out that even LookFantastic is on there. So make sure to sign up for the link, and then you can use my links to get on, and then you'll be able to get like a double bonus, all right? Okay, what is also about this is my main thing with these boxes, before I was getting into subscription boxes, my concern was it was a UK box, and I didn't know about shipping or if there was going to be fees or anything when you're going from one country to another. Being a Canadian girl who lived in Canada, we always got those type of extra fees added to our bills. So it was always a concern for me. What I can tell you is it's free ship. There are no thing to worry about at all. It is so easy, and the boxes are very reasonably priced. On top of it, I do have a link for this box where this month they're giving a deal where the first box is $10 as long as you sign up for the full year. By signing up for the full year, every other box will be around $16. So it's really affordable, and the extra bonus is that they bill you month to month. So even you're only making the commitment for the year, but you're paying it as if it was monthly, which I think is absolutely fantastic. The other thing is, if you just want to sign up like for 1 month, these boxes are around $19. And then if you sign up for 3 months, it becomes 18, 6 months, 17. And then for the full year, the monthly number is $16. But I have a link now where your first box can be just $10. And like I said, it's free ship in the USA, which is absolutely fantastic. What I didn't know about this brand was they have the most beautiful website. And this box only started in 1996. And what they wrote on here on their website, it says they are the original online British boutique, and LookFantastic is Europe's #1 retailer for beauty and number 2 globally. So that's how huge they are. It says they are the ultimate destination for hair, beauty, skincare, and all things that make us look and feel fantastic. And they have over 12,000 products for more than 450 brands across the hair, makeup, skincare, body care, home fragrances, organic, and they say they have something for everyone. They attract over 1 million unique visitors a month, and it has grown their strength to strength and continues to lead the online beauty market. They pride themselves on their wide range of brands and products, and they have exclusive free gifts and with purchase for fantastic member rewards. They also have some really great brands like Elemis and Dermalogica. They have Ren. Everything I was looking up, I could not believe the brands that were on there. But what's also really nice is if you get the box, you then get a special different price for all their limited edition boxes, and they have so many to choose from, and each one is better than the next. But if you're not a member, you will still have access to their website and be able to pick up the boxes that we show you that are these limited edition. Just if you are a member through the monthly box, you will get a discounted rate on that box, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So everybody has access to it. So now let's get into the December box, where it says, enjoy a moment of magic with this month's luxury beauty box containing 6 iconic products that have a value, they're saying, over $77. So this is the gorgeous box that we're receiving this month. And if you're not familiar with these boxes, they are hard shell boxes. They are so beautiful. To give this as a gift, I think is absolutely fantastic. And usually when you open it up, there is something written on the inside. And this month they say, sparkle this festive season and have a very Merry Christmas with love from your team beauty box. And that is what is inside. They always come beautifully wrapped with tissue paper. Sometimes they have a bow. This time the box that I received did not have any information on it, so I went on the website to see some prices for you guys, and then we're going to go in and go through each item here. So they're saying this festive season is upon us. What better way to kick off the party season than with the December A Moment of Magic beauty box. It's filled with 6 products worth over $77, from cleansers and masks to blushers and razors. Find everything you need for the ultimate party prep or post-gathering pamper. Go out with a bang this year. Don't miss out on this fabulous beauty box. Plus, beauty box makes the perfect gift for someone you love this Christmas. So why not treat them to the gift that keeps on giving and get them a beauty box subscription today? I think subscription boxes as gifts is so fantastic, because every month the person who you are sending it to gets that feeling that, oh, you know, they thought of me, and they think of you every month when they receive their box. All right, the first item that's in the box that is on the paper here is a favorite of mine. And I find the UK boxes seem to put this in more than any other box, and it makes me so happy. If you have not had the opportunity to try a product from Elemis, this is where I tell you to start. This is their Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. It is such a fantastic, fantastic cleanser. The scent on it, everything about it, the consistency is one that I reach for all the time. So this is one that I highly recommend, and I think it's an absolute winner. The size that we got in this box, they're saying, is a $12.40 value. The next item in here is from the brand called Eyeko. And let me just pull everything out of here so that I'm not constantly reaching in the box. The next item in here, like I said, is from Eyeko, and this is their Spotlight Highlighter. They're saying this is worth $18, and this product is fantastic. This is one that you use in the corner of your eye to brighten it up, and also underneath your brow. It goes on very creamy, and it's just fantastic that if you don't have this in your arsenal, it is a must. The next item in here is from Starskin, and this is their Golden Eye Mask, and they're saying this is worth $8.30, and these are just those pads that you put underneath your eye, and then you leave them on, and then you remove them, and it is fantastic. And Starskin is a really, really, really good brand, so excited to have the opportunity to try that. The next item is something that we're seeing a lot this gift-giving season, and it is from this brand called GLOV, G-L-O-V. It is an eye mask. They're saying this on its own is a $17 value. It feels so beautiful. It feels like silk. The string on the end here that keeps it on is not tight at all. This feels like it would just slide on and be able to slide off easily. So really excited about that. And if you already own a lot of these, because a lot of the deals that I was seeing over this holiday were pillowcases made out of silk with these eye masks. So this is also a great gift to give on its own. The next item is one that I'm very curious about. It's from this brand called Lottie London, and it's a blusher, and it's worth $8.30. This is a new brand to me, and this is in the shade called Haze. And when I opened it up, it looks so, so beautiful. That is what it looks like here. It almost has like an ombre effect. I thought it would be a cream, but it really feels like, it feels kind of like a cream, but it is a powder. And that's what this looks like here. It's a really bright, bright color. So to me, this is more of a spring color, but this is the type of color that I also like when I'm doing a monochromatic look, to put this color in my eyelids, on my eyelids, and then this on my cheeks. Makes such a beautiful, fresh look. So very excited about that. And that is an $8.30 value. And then the last item in here is something that I've seen a lot of girls use. It is not something that I use, but it is something that, like I said, a lot of girls say that their makeup goes on smoother, and I don't have a lot of the peach fuzz and a lot of those issues, but I know a lot of girls do. And there's a lot of these type of products that are available like in the drugstores. This looks like a higher end one. It is called the Hollywood Brower Single Razor. They're saying this has a value of over $13. They're saying it is quick and easy, pain-free hair removal and exfoliation. And then they show you on the pictures the difference if before she shaved her face and then after. So these are razors specifically made for women, and it removes peach fuzz. They're saying it also can help shape your eyebrows. And that's everything that we got in our box. So like I said, I think these boxes are really great to have the opportunity to try so many different products. And when it's a UK box, we get a lot of brands that are very high end, but they are UK based. So we get the opportunity to try so many different brands through these UK boxes. And the fact that they're, you know, available to us at these fantastic prices and free ship to our door, I think it's something that you should look into. I know that if these boxes weren't being sent to me, they probably would be ending up on my channel either way. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you again soon on my next video. Bye for now.